Hello everyone, my name is Harsha. Today I am going to talk about an icebreaker application which designed by me. Uh, it is a simple application which takes the details like first name, last name, and preferred name. And when we click on a get new random question button, it fetch the any random question given by us in the database and displays here. And we have to enter the answer for that question, and when we click on the submit button, it stores all the details which are entered by us into the database. Now coming to the just brief overview of the code. Here this is an .xml file which in this .xml file we have written the code related to the text fields and buttons of the first name, last name, and the preferred name. These are all the edit text, and this is the normal text views. So and I written the code for the buttons like get a new random question and submit. Those are the two buttons. And now coming to the main activity.kt file. This is the main file. We are connecting to we are connecting to our database, and like we are writing functions how to fetch the questions from the database and store the values into the database. So here I initialize all the class names of the database and the DB things, and I'm storing all my questions in the form of the list. So here I written a function called private function get questions from the Firebase. Here this function help us to fetch the questions from the database, and the next function private write student to Firebase. Here this function helps us to store the details which are entered here after submitting a button. It stores all these details in the formation hash map and store these details into the database. So now once we will go to the database. Here I use the Firebase for my database. So my I given that like, project name as my application. So if we go on the application and we should click Firestore database. Here we will have all the details of our application. So when we click on Firestore database, it gives us the collection here. This is a no SQL schema, right? So all the data will be in the form of in collections and IDs. So here I have two collections. One is questions and students. In the questions collection, I have all the I have the questions here. I have created four questions. One is what is your favorite board game, and the second is how many pets do you have, and the third one is what is your first school, and the fourth one is what is your favorite town. Here these are IDs for each question. These are auto generated. These four questions should be given by us, and this is the collection. In this collection, it stores all the details which are entered by us into here. These are now coming now. If we see the or like running of an application, how it works. Here first in we have to initially enter our first name. So I am entering my first name, and we have to enter the last name. And I'm entering my preferred name. Here we have to click on a get new random question button, so that we will get an random question which is given by us in the database. So here I click on the new random question. Here uh, I have got what is your favorite town. So I'm going to answer for that question. So after that, after entering all the details, I'm clicking on the submit button. So now let's go to the database and checks whether it is storing all the details or not. So here I'm storing he, 1 minute. We should refresh the page. And here is the data which is given by a stored, and this is the ID. If you have any doubts regarding the code or anything, you can just comment me. Thank you.